at 2,000 and 2,200. So I'm playing the King's Indian attack. We both put our bishops on the long diagonal. I castle. He castles. I bring my rook here. One there. One here. Here. One up here. Queen there. Queen here. Bishop here. You see how we're just getting our pieces out. So I brought my knight here. He brought his rook over here. I brought my bishop out here. And now we finally push this pawn forward. I think I brought my knight here. Now first I went pawn takes to pawn. Knight takes. Knight here. I retreated the knight. I brought my knight right back to that good square. And now I can win a pawn. Let's test your tactical ability. That's a mistake. I can win that pawn. Can you see how white wins that pawn? What would you play? Hi. So Avni, in this position, how does white win that pawn? If you count, 1, 2, 3 attackers, 1, 2, 3 defenders. So it looks like if you go knight takes the pawn, you're losing a piece, but not really, because when he takes the knight, and I take his bishop, now his queen is overworked. See? His queen can't guard the knight and capture the bishop at the same time. Now, I had to calculate this. Knight takes the knight, bishop takes the rook, knight takes the bishop, bishop here, because he's threatening knight here check, and now I think that knight is trapped, then I can't get out. You know, he could attack my bishop with his pawn, but I could simply go here, and now his knight is dead, I think. I don't think he can get his knight out. So, after I win his knight, I'll be ahead, what, I look for a bishop or something? Yeah, so this, I'll be ahead the exchange, and a pawn, actually. So he couldn't do that, so what he had to do, well, if he'd done that, he would have been losing. So tactics do count. But you don't try to force the tactics. All of a sudden you look at the board and say, wow, there's tactics here. It's almost like a red light flashes inside your head. And so I took bishop takes, he took queen takes, and now I took the knight, and I won a whole pawn. But I had to give that pawn back. I had to give back a pawn later because I had too many weak pawns here. So what he did now, I'm threatening to invade on that square. So here's the problem that I had. I want to trade off rooks, but when he goes here, he's double attacking that pawn. And if I go to guard it with the rook, he'll just go queen takes this pawn, you see? And if I go like that, then he'll get control of the file. If I go here, this looks very awkward. My bishop might get smothered, if I'm not careful. So I figured, let's give back the rook pawn. Let's keep the center pawn. So he took here. I took, and now so it's even. He got his pawn back, and now we went into an end game where I had the better center, but I couldn't win. It was complicated though. What he did is, this pawn up here already. No, this pawn's back here. So now he brought his king over, and I brought my knight in, and he set a little trap for me. It looks like I can win a pawn. If I go here, and he goes there, and I go here, it looks like I win a pawn, right? Actually, I lose my bishop, because he would let me win the pawn. He bring his king here, and now my bishop can't get out. You see? He's going to go here and win the bishop. I'll get 2 points for the bishop, but I'll be losing. So I didn't fall for that. Instead, I went for the center pawn. Pawn takes, and now I have a passed center pawn, but the game ended in a draw because he played well. So this is the end game. What I was worried about is all my pawns were in the same color as my bishop. I got a bad bishop here if I'm not careful. Luckily my bishop is outside the pawns. So what he did now, we're fighting for the center. Just in time, I keep his king out. And he wanted to go king here, king here, king here, king here. The only problem is if he goes just king too far away, my pawn's going to make a queen. So his king can't go too far away. So we got this position here, and now the game ended in a draw. Actually, his king was here. It wasn't. No, his king was there. And then I went check, and I went there. I'm not sure that I played it correctly. Maybe I had something better than that, but this I can kind of look at. So now I have double connected pawns, but the only problem is he has pawns on both sides of the board, and actually that could be more dangerous. You know, I'm almost losing here if I'm not careful, because you know, bishops, when there's pawns on both sides of the board, bishops are very strong. You know, he's trying to make a pass pawn over here plus that pass pawn there, and maybe he's better. But we agreed on a draw. He went here, I went there, he went here, and offered a draw, which I accepted. I was going to go here, and he told me he was going to go there, and then I would have gone pawn takes pawn, pawn takes pawn, pawn takes pawn, bishop takes, and I can't see if I take. This is one of the dangers. If I take here, I actually lose. See, because my king can't stop both pawns. My king can get this pawn, but he can't get back in time to stop that pawn. I mean, I could try. I don't know. I haven't had a chance to analyze this. Maybe it comes out to a draw anyway. Where's he gonna go? If he goes there, I go here, here, there. Then he has this move. Then I go there. He goes here. I go here. He makes a queen. Maybe it's still a draw. Check. Queen. Yeah, so I guess it would have been a draw anyway. So we both had queen against queen as a draw. So all that hard work. I don't know if he had it all calculated, but you know, he offered the draw and I accepted it. But he played well. I mean, you know, I did win that pawn, but then he had too much. But I had a weak pawn here, and so he got his pawn back. Well, we only got about 5 minutes, so let me start packing this stuff up here, and